Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Today I'm going to hang a closet rod over the top of the bathtub like we had before. That way we can hang clothes over the bathtub, they can drip into the bathtub, and everything can dry out. And it works really well, especially in the summertime with the air conditioning going, or the winter with the furnace going. Either way, the clothes dry very quickly, without that extra wear of tumbling in the dryer all the time. There, now it's easy to hang something over the top of the tub to dry out. And if you use plastic hangers, there's no rust marks. This is a steel closet rod that you can buy at any of the big box stores or probably your local hardware store. I've anchored it to the wall with poly anchors into the plasterboard. The towel bar hangers are actually sitting on top of the trim. So with the screws in shear and sitting on top of the trim, there's going to be no shear load on them. And there's going to be no pull on them because the bar just pulls straight down. The weight pulls straight down on the hangers. Works really well. We've done this now for about 5 years. And with a new bathroom, it's time to put that up. Another job done. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.